What is going on, my impossible creators? I want to talk about MockDropper. It's a way, if you find it useful for you, to support these weekly tutorials that I put out. What it is, if you don't know, I haven't seen any like a video on it yet. It's simply a website that makes it easy for you to place your layouts in any situation. So for example, I can go ahead here and drag a layout, and then under describe would type in where I want the layout to be placed. So for example, I want this as a large vinyl at an outdoor basketball tournament. And then I would hit click generate, and this is real time. In less than 15 seconds, the AI behind the scenes will create this and place it exactly how I asked. And then you see here it is. You can download it. If you're not completely happy with how it looks, you can go ahead and hit the refresh. So this, the circle is refreshing it. So again, it takes about 15 seconds. If for whatever reason the website is being glitchy, I'm still working on improving it, then you see we have a different one now. You hit start over if there's an issue, and that'll just kind of reset everything. It's like a quick reboot to the site. If you love how this looks, you can click the star button and it'll actually save your prompt, right? It takes a minute or a couple of seconds. Now you see it filled in, and you go to your favorites, and these are a few layouts that I saved because I like how it was placed, or for work I was using some of these. So if you want, to use, for example, here, use this mock. So now this is painted on a wall. I can go ahead and drag over, let's go with this layout. Drag over the vertical one, click generate, and then it basically is copying your prompt. It won't finish it in the exact placement, but it will place it as a painting on a wall. And if you see something like I didn't want West Side hoops, so I can just say at the end of the prompt, no type, no logos, right? Then you hit generate, and then again, it'll generate a similar situation, ad painted on a brick wall in Chicago, in an urban African-American city. So boom, there it is on the wall. And with this, I've actually provided a Google Slides that I'm sharing with this. So you'll be able to see a few situations for out of home in New York City, scaffolding, in a large horizontal board in LA. Here's a few more out of home layouts, right? Vertical billboard in a building in an urban city, bus shelter with some people in summer outfits. This was the Chicago wall. And then you can see over here, editorial, lifestyle, and environment. And then of course, some digital placements on an iPad, or a tablet, I should say, and then vertically placed on phone in social media. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email you see here, joelarzu@gmail.com. So I just wanted to share this because, again, this is these tutorials, something that I love doing, but I did want to use this opportunity to let y'all know, if you wanted to show support, this would be a cool way, especially most definitely if it adds value to you and what you do in your work. I don't want you to pay the $10 a month if it's not worth your time, if you don't have it, especially. But if you can and you find it useful, then that'll be greatly appreciated, and it'll just help me put more of these videos out because if I didn't say it earlier, it does take quite a bit of time. Not saying I'm going to stop doing these. I'm going to keep on churning out these videos. I'm learning a lot in the process, but just wanted to talk about MockDropper. So you'll see, and if you're subscribed, I always end with MockDropper just as a reminder for y'all to check it out. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting.